All right, let's be real. Running a small business is a grind. You're juggling a million things, but the one thing you can't drop is how you show up online. Because online is where everything happens now. It's not just a place to have a page. It's a massive AI-driven world that connects people to what they want. If you're not playing that game right, you're pretty much invisible. So let's talk about your digital vibe, everything you do online. Think about all your spots, your website, your Instagram, your TikTok, your LinkedIn showcase as one ongoing conversation with your customers. The old way was to have a stiff, formal website and maybe post a picture here and there. It's over. Today, it's all about being genuinely helpful and human, no matter the platform. Your goal is to give away great advice, answer questions before they're even asked, and show the real personality behind your business. Whether it's a helpful guide on your blog, a quick how-to video on social media, or just a friendly chat in the comments, you're building trust. And you don't need to be everywhere. It's way better to be awesome and active on the 1 or 2 channels, where your customers actually hang out, than to be a ghost on 5 different platforms. It's all about creating real connections. Now, how do people even find you in this crowded space? This is where the AI part is a game changer. Getting found isn't about old school keywords anymore. Search engines, social media feeds, and voice assistants are all run by smart AI that's trying to understand what people really want. People are asking their phones, where can I find a good spot for lunch that has outdoor seating? Or how do I fix a leaky faucet? The AI's job is to find the best, most helpful answer. So your job is to be that answer. Create content that directly solves your customers' problems and answers their questions clearly. When the AI sees that you're consistently providing value and people are engaging with your stuff, it starts showing you to more people. You're not trying to trick a system. You're trying to be genuinely useful, which is what the AI is built to reward. So, it all works together. Your helpful posts, your real conversations, and your problem-solving content all signal to the AI that you're a valuable resource. This creates a loop. You provide value, people engage, the AI notices and shows you to more people, and your business grows. This isn't just marketing. It's the new way of building a modern business that lasts. Build trust by being helpful. This is inbound marketing. Instead of just shouting by now, you attract customers by offering genuine value. By sharing knowledge, you position yourself as an expert, building relevance and trust.